Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is all about creating without stealing, understanding copyright, fair use, and avoiding plagiarism. We all love to be inspired by others, but it's important to know the rules of the game when it comes to using other people's work. Copyright protects original creations, from videos and music to art and writing. It basically gives the creator control over how their work is used. But copyright isn't a total block on creativity. There's this awesome concept called fair use. It allows limited use of copyrighted material for things like criticism, commentary, education, or news reporting. Here's the key. Fair use is a balancing act. Courts consider 4 factors. 1. Purpose and character of your use. Are you using it to teach, criticize, or entertain? 2. Nature of the copyrighted work. Is it published or unpublished? Creative or factual? 3. Amount and substantiality of the portion used. Are you using a tiny clip or the whole thing? Is it the heart of the work? 4. Effect on the market. Will your use hurt the value of the original work? It's not always a clear-cut case, but understanding these factors can help you navigate the fair use world. Now, let's talk about plagiarism. This is basically stealing someone else's ideas or words and pretending they're your own. Big no-no. Here's the difference. Copying and pasting without giving credit is plagiarism. But paraphrasing and citing your sources shows you're using information ethically and legally. The bottom line? Be a creator who inspires, not imitates. Copyright exists to protect creators. Fair use allows for creative spark, and proper citation keeps you honest. Do you have any questions about copyright or fair use? Leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative content tips.